Hi, Santosh. Morning here na. Morning. Morning. Mm. Hi, Donnie. How are you? I'm fine po. Tulog ka ulit. Antok ka pa. Hindi nga ako makatulog eh. Oh, Jen. Hi, Nelson. Nelson. 9:02 p.m. 100 degrees Celsius. Oh my God. Really? So cold. Where are you from, Nelson? Where are you from? Santosh. Cold here. Where? Where are you? Greetings from the Netherlands. Hi, from Netherlands. Thank you so much, Nelson, from coffee. The coffee. Thank you so much. Sir Pat, good morning. Kapag tumatanda na daw, di na nakakatulog. Siguro, may ano na, may changes na. Hello, Shara. Good to see you, my friend. Having coffee, trying to get awake, yeah. Trying to get awake. Coffee. Request, like, subscribe, share YouTube channel, memberships. 79 pesos. 79 pesos, share. 79 pesos. Hi, Trigger. Hello from Philippines. Hi, from Philippines. Domingo Diaz. And Bando. Hi. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay, Doc. Thank you for the blue jacket. Welcome po, Sir Nelson. How's the weather there? The cold. I need the coffee for keep warm. Thank you po. Kapi Cagayan. Di ka talaga makakatulog. Yamato. Thank you for 14. Thank you for the likes po. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Quest. Ano oras na dyan sa atin? Ano oras na ba? 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Alas 2 ng madaling araw. Thank you, it is. Thank you for the likes po. Full Jam. Full Jam. Hello, host. Thumbsack. Hi, sis Aisha. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, sis Isa Lopez. Thank you so much. The beautiful Joanne JS Rocker. Ano ba yun? Domingo Diaz. The sun is out bright. Think the big snow we got in Columbus in January will melt slowly. Was not ready for the snow. It was so cold. You still not asleep? Yeah. Oh yeah. Di pa makatulog. Ang hirap matulog. Guwapa. Kape. Bonjour. Very cold, my friend. So cold. Feel lucky here. Not too cold. Isa Lopez from Sir Jazz Rocker. James. Connell. Hello, Rocker. Hi, Pod from Jazz Rocker. Tony, we got lots of snow and ice and freezing cold weather here today, Cheryl. Oh my god, it feels so cold. Cold. So cold. Ooh, Jane. Someday, nang naririnig kay dami kumukulo sa aking isip. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Eric Chomi. Hi, Eric. Eric Chomi. Can you pose with your hair? Yes, I already posed now with my hair. You see my hair? I posed it. So, you really love my hair trigger. You trigger about my hair, yeah. I'm all housed up today, staying in where it's warm, yeah. Stay at home to stay warm. Thank you, Sir Nelson. Cold, you are lucky. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Nelson. Thank you po. Hi, my darling. Disha Dali. Cold, you are lucky. The eye bugs. Oh my god. Saludos. Oh my god. Timmy. Wait. Sino ka, Timmy, para utusan ako ng ganyan? Wala kang karapatan. This is my life. Charot. Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh my God. Beautiful smiley but have eye bags. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Nelson. Thank you so much. Hey Timmy, you should send super chat if you want to see her face. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Jen. Thank you, Jess. Thank you. Sorry, my eye bags. My God, the eye bags. The eye bags. Oh my God. Biglan. Hello, Biglan. You look very beautiful. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Mr. Mouth. Hi, Mr. Mouth. Why Mr. Mouth? I feel hot when I drink coffee. Mouth. Hi, Mouth. Because my mouth is big. My God. James, hi beautiful from Denver, Colorado, USA. Thank you po. Riker. Mr. Mautelu from Aiza. Gising ang mga tao ngayon mga ganitong oras. Daming gising pa eh. Ang pangit ko pag laki yung eye bags. Pangit na nga, pumangit. Ang pangit, di makatago. Hi, Ronald. Nice. Isa, hello from Mr. Mount. I don't understand the language you, Ronald. So maybe you can in English, I think. Lipa. Hi from Europe. Hi, thank you from Europe. Eric Cardo. Hi, Eric. Eric. Hi from Europe. Hi from Europe. Thank you for joining. My God. Cold. I'm hot. I feel hot. Cheryl, how are you? I'm fine. Hello. How do we do? Isa. Thank you, sis. Careful with that hair toes. With that hair toes. My God. Coffee. Ibang nagagawa ng kape. You will get some guys excited in here. Why? What happened? Hi, Rick. Donnie, yes, thank you. I have a beautiful hair. Oh, someone like my hair trigger my hair. Manay, yes, Manay. Thank you for teaching me how to feel, putting me in my emotion. Thank you, 18 million. I'm fine. Later, Cheryl and everyone. Thank you, Isa. Thank you for joining. Can't sleep, my God. Nice, nice. Sagara, what nice. Bye bye, Cheryl. Thank you, Nelson. Thank you so much for joining. Hope see you later. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the super chat. Very beautiful, shiny hair. Give me that look. Hi, Rick. Why don't you sleep this night? I don't know. I can't sleep. Can't sleep. Oh. Linda Mujer. Linda. Domingo Gonzalez. Salvis. Ang haba. Why need to, long name here? Domingo Gonzalez Acevedo. Acevedo. Just want to stop and give you a thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, right? What's your name? My name is Cheryl. Sapat na sa'kin ang nalalaman ko. Beautiful hair, thank you. Mitika Gorgeon. Aliko. Nice. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Hit the like. I'll get my things, save up well. All meet up. Mike, Cheryl, and Philippines. Say thank you, Sir Pot. Hopefully be in Philippines soon, yes. Welcome to the Philippines. Ah, yes, my God. 4th time coming back in Philippines. Wow, 4 times. Thomas, hi from Denmark. Hi, Sir Thomas. Tyler Robbins. Hello, Tyler. Alright, please, can you wearing satin short? Black. No satin short. No short, no satin. I'm fine, thanks. Rainy here. Yeah, it's very close. Not too cold. How are you doing, Miss Sheryl? I'm doing fine. If you could make my phone also, mic, and then also everyone spread. And all the brothers just got so fine. What 30? Hi, what 30? What 30? Oh, cold. With this. With this. You are so, oh, thank you. You are so beautiful. So beautiful. Natal contest. You know what? What? How many days rain you have this very sure mini rain, maybe in one day a lot of rain. How old are you? I'm turning 41. 41, turning 41. Oh my god, yes po, lots of rain. I made you blush when I said that all the men want, huh? All the men? Why all? Grabe maka all. Hi. Hi there, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. I have eye bags on my eyes. Why is beautiful? Hi, Has. OFW Lutong Pinoy. Hello po. The man who married you someday will be very lucky. Really? Why? Supporting here. Thank you. OFW Lutong Pinoy. Thank you po. What is the weather like in the Philippines? Weather here is sunny, rainy, typhoon, floods, earthquake. Yes. No winter here. No snow. No spring. No autumn. Something like that. Sunny, rainy, typhoon, floods. Really everything. Really. Everything. Because you look amazing and so sweet. Oh, wow. Magandang umaga po sa'yo. Hi, Franz Belly. Thank you. Magandang umaga din. Sana all dito kaya sa inyo. Thank you. Okay po. Summer is going out. Huh? Summer is I will have to be prepared if I come to the Philippines. Okay, maybe you try. Ulan po yan. Yes, ulan. Raining. It's raining. Is that rain? Yes, it's rain. Raining here. Raining. Sa Bicol po, Bicol province po. The sky is crying like crazy in the Philippines. Oh my God. Sapat na sa akin Tagalocina po ako. Nice to meet you, Franz Valley. Saan ka ngayon? Sa Lucena ka ngayon. Quezon. Boss. Hi, Princess. Hi, boss. As well, pleasure of seeing you and meeting you po. Thank you so much, Franz Valley. Cheryl, I'm not married. I'm not married po. Legal. Sapat na sa akin. Thank you for 19 people in the house. Ang nalalaman ko. Boss. All this. Amor, mio, amore. Amore. You are so cute. Thank you. My God. I'm from Los Angeles, California. Half Pinoy, half American. I left Pinas when I was 12 years old. Oh, wow. Really? Wow, that's great. Elvis, thank you. Thank you for the likes, Paul. Are you looking so tired now? Yeah, and maybe I'm just something can't sleep. Yes, I've been in USA 49 years. So how old are you? How old are your friends, Belly? Thirty-one people. Hi guys. Hello Cheryl, how are you doing? Hi guys, I'm doing fine. I'm doing live. Hola Hos, good afternoon from Chicago. Hi, Latina American official from Chicago. Hello beauty. Hi, Sudai. I have in US for 49 years. I'm 61 years old. Okay. Nice to meet you for France Valley. France Valley. Half Pinoy, half American. Good evening, Yemen. Half Pinoy. I come to the Philippines, put you in my suitcase and take you to the north. Sir Thomas. Bodygon Dragon. Pleasure. Marco. Hola, ¿cómo estás, Santa? Arusa Lima Amiga Combo. What? Comloba. Thank you. Sapat na sa'kin ang nararamdaman. Hopefully, I'll be retiring sa Pinas in 5 years. Wow. Oh yes. I think Philippines, mini partner want retiring here in the Philippines, I think. Joseph Morelio, hi. Thank you guys. Toma, how old is your son? My son is 9 years old. Sorry, Thomas. Thank you so much. Ang nararamdaman ko sapat na sa'kin. My God. You got a little baby, that's so nice. Yeah, I have a little baby. 9 years old. Hi, Vino. Oh, Vino. You changed your profile. My son doesn't give me grandkids or my daughter. Why? Oh my God, why? What happened? Oh my God. Vivaldi, Linda Bodna. Hey. My Dawn is 37 years old. My daughter is 27 years old. Okay. Why? What happened? Hey Cheryl, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Thank you, Higgs. My grandkids is my puppy. Please like and subscribe. Video Martimo. Hi, thank you so much. Recently, are you married? No, I'm not married. My God. You look so tired. Yeah, I look tired. Are you married? No. I don't know why no kids yet, but they tried. They tried. Ah, okay. At least they tried. How's your dad? My dad is little fine. It's better. Vivaldi, no, I don't understand the language. Ki casa e o caso con voci amor. What is that? Oh my God. Good, I'm happy to hear that, Cheryl. Oh, thank you, Hags. Sapat na sa akin, nananalang ko. Oh my god. Cat are crying. Or someone fighting. Can you rotate your hips? No. For what? Please remember, if you see a non-blue hex, please delete him. Why? Fake accounts? You have a, no? You have a, somebody call it, line. France Billy, Vivaldi Sheryl, no habla español, no Portuguese. Thank you, France Belly, Kevin Ray, Thai, Coco Bonjour, Bonjour. Coco Bonjour, Bonjour. Only Tagalog and English, yes. France Belly, thank you. Hey, Golden Bee Blade. Some guy named Grunt stole my profile picture and made a fake account. Oh my god, of me. Is going by the name Higgs William. Higgs William is a fake, fake Higgs. Fake account for Higgs. But same, what do you call this? Same profile. I need to thank you for the information. I can understand Spanish. Wow, that's great. Going by the name Higgs. Okay, now I know Higgs. Okay. Loyalist YouTube. Hi, Loyalist YouTube. Bex, Raymond, Newton Carmel. Welcome to Brazil. Hi, Charlie. Any non-blue Hex, please delete. You're the best, Cheryl. Okay, thank you, Hex. Okay, I will delete or I will ban here. Dark blue. Thank you. Hello from California, Petals. From California, Amar, Revolve, hello, 30 million here now. 30 million. $30 million here. I don't understand the language like Thailand. What is this? Gelson Silva. Hi, Gansol. Hossein. Hegs, I got some situation on my Facebook. That's why I don't look at my Facebook anymore. Yeah, that's why. They make fake accounts and they steal the pictures and then they put it and they pretend like us, and then suddenly the message, the contact list on Facebook, and the ask for money. Maybe I think this camera, yes, it's on Facebook. That's why I don't, my Facebook is a lock. That's why. I'm sorry to hear that, friends. People are crazy over here. Yes, people are crazy. Some people are crazy. I'm sorry to hear that, friends. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, people are being crazy and ignorance. Yes, that's true. That's Vietnam language. Yeah, I don't understand Vietnam language. I'm sorry to hear that. Nice people like this. I don't understand that. Vietnam language. People, please. Alexander Rios, hi. Alright. All cook. 24 million here. Thank you so much. 43 likes. Almost 3 AM na dyan. Di ka pa antok. Yes. Can't sleep. Yes, almost 3 AM. Oh my God. Ten 43 AM here. 10:43. Oh my God. Right. The crazy part is that guy is now going around with a profile that looks identical to mine and talking to people as if he's me. It's delusional. It's schizophrenia. Lol, he needs medication. Oh my God. The schizophrenia is an oh my God. Mental illness. God. Ngoyan, maybe you need to translate it in English or Tagalog because I don't understand. Please. Even I can read that, but we don't understand. Maybe you can translate it in. Try to translate in English. Try it, and you can drop here. We understand you. Thank you. Meron din akong insomnia. It's hard to sleep regularly. Hello, beautiful. Eggs, where are you now? Where are you now, Eggs? I'm from US, California. US, California. I'm from Florida. I'm in Florida. Wow. Nice to meet you guys. I love Florida. I visited there 2 times already. How beautiful, the Florida. Heidi. I'm going back in September. Wow. Oh my god. My favorite time part. Mm, that's awesome, friends. Aligo comment, huh? I travel every year different states. Wow, sana all. Trouble. I don't understand. Nguyen. Please translate it in English, please. What part are you going to France? What's up, Cheryl? Why not sleeping, little lady? You okay? Hi, Mr. Pot. I'm fine. Can't sleep. Oh my god. I fell asleep when you went to shower early. When I was, oh my god. I like Orlando. It's busy but fun. This time I go to Kissimmee. Kissimmee. Manghina. I don't understand. Oh my god. That's awesome, friends from Hags. Oh my god. What she said. I don't know if I got the right spelling. Okay. Okay, after your last live ended, just concerned about you. That's all. Yeah, I'm fine po, Mr. Pot. Mm, I'm fine. Good. Thank you po. I also went to Miami Beach. Wow, the Miami. Good morning, young lady. I'm here. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Did anything else happen with a 16-year-old? My God, a 16 years old. 41. I'm turning 41 this Monday. 16 years old. John Bay. Miami is nice. Miami is wild. Oh, I love it. You know what I mean? Okay, just chicken little lady. That's what we do. Care and protect you. Thank you, Mr. Pot. Thank you so much. Thank you, Paul. The 16 years old. John B is 16 years old. My oh my god. Hello, it is wild in Miami. Really? You know what I mean? We just okay. Thank you, Mr. Pot. Healer. She does look so young. I'm turning 41 this Monday. Next Monday. This coming February 2nd. Mostly Filipino and Filipina look so young. Well, it depends. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Dimple Pinay. Hi, Dimple Pinay. Thank you for joining po. Mr. Wonderful. Hi. Totoo po yun. Talaga? Parang hindi naman. Hello po. Hi po. Dimple Pinay. Ngoyen, I don't read it because we don't understand your language. Sorry. I don't look 61. Really? What is your name? My name is Sheryl. I was I was just curious. It was an unusual story. Yes. Oh my god. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Hegs. Holman. C. Rigar. Hi. Disrespect will see you get a timeout or a channel ban. Be respectful to their all times. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Good morning. Angeline. Hi, Angeline. Good morning. Bien, Dima. 41 just surprised me there. Good lord. Knocked me over with a feather. Definitely didn't realize that. Credit to your parents. Good gen pool. Sir, Sir Pot. Mr. Pot. Turning 41 this Monday, so getting old na. Yes, and the Deepo looks 61. Wow. Sana all. Cheryl, you're a few years older than me, but you look 20 years younger than me. How old are you, Higgs? You having young daughter? No. I have one kid. It's a son. Hey, Higgs from Dimple Pinay. Hi, Dimple Pinay. Hey, Joanne. Who's Joanne? Ah, 38. 38 years old. Yes. Not, it's the same, kababata. We call this kababata batchmate. To doing live legs. Ah, are you doing live too, Dimple Pinay? Nice to meet you po. That's awesome, Joanne. Yes. Hey, Joanne. Joanne, don't you have your own life? Joanne, don't you have your own life? What? Sir Dwayne? It's me, Cheryl. My main channel was disabled. Ah, why? What happened? Why? What happened? Your own channel? Your main channel? Ngoyen. Dwayne, my main channel was disabled. Why? What's happened? Thank you, Mr. Pat. What happened po? Oh my god. So maybe you have another channel. My main channel disabled. Why? What happened? Do you have a copyright strike? Dahil po sa bata, nag-live ako at iniwan. Oh my God. Talaga, oh my God. Sorry. Ala, ako lagi akong ganyan. Iniiwan ko yung bata. Tapos iniiwan ko bata lang. Kaya, when I do live, when I live and only kids, Sir Fred said, Cheryl, don't live only kids need to be with, guardian. Because it's dangerous to your channel. That's why Sir Fred said that to me. When I do wash. My God. Oh yes, listen, learn po. Listen, learn. That's why we need to be careful. Need to avoid the copyright strike. Better to upload original content. Something like that. Passport, mom. I don't have passport. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. I think 14 days. 14 days. Yes, 14 days mababalik mo siya. Kasi parang nangyari sa akin yata doon. Oo, yes. Iniwan ko kasi yung bata, wala pang 2 years old. Wala pang 2 years old. I don't subscribe you. Thank you, Dimple Pinay. Kailangan talaga ano, mag-ingat, be careful sa pag-live, lalo na sa mga bata. Kasi dito din sa amin maraming bata. Mga bata dito sa amin. Padulong po ng channel ko. Oh yes, John Ray Palima. No, sure, it's not 14 days. Lagpas na po. Oh my God. Ah, anong sabi? May nakalagay kasi doon eh na sa kailangan mo, ay hindi, may nakalagay kasi doon na ang tanong kasi doon kung ako ay ang channel ko daw is bata. So kailangan mo i-proof na you're not a child ay na legal, nasa legal age ka. Parang may lalagay ka pa doon eh. Magsisend ka pa doon ng pictures na ang IDs na patunay na you are na-delete ko na agad yung live ko eh. No, kahit na-delete mo na. Ako nag-delete din ako ng live ko eh. May nakalagay kasi doon sa nag-message sa'yo yung ano, dun sa YouTube, yung nag-message sa YouTube notification. Ano ang violation mo? Ano ang dahilan kung bakit na ano? Mag-aano ka lang doon. Maybe kailangan mo lang siyang i-private. No need to delete kasi doon sila nag-ano. Pag na-delete na, hindi ko alam kung pero na-detect kasi nung ano YouTube. So kailangan mo lang i-proof na you're a legal age ka kasi nga yung ano. I'm fine. I'm fine, you know. Yes. Back to zero na lang ako siya. Dito na muna ako mag-focus. Sayang naman. Sayang. I'm done to solve you, Sheryl. I solve you back pa after the live. Or maybe kailangan mo lang mag-iwan na sa akin ng bakas kasi baka makalimutan ako. Kasi hindi ko ma-memorize yung hello beautiful from Denver, Colorado. You will say my wife is Indonesian. And one of our friends got deported. I did it. Huh? My God. 34 people. Thank you so much. Sergio, it's none of your business. If she showered today. That's why I say thank you, JS Rocker. Thank you, JS Rocker. Hi, JS from Dimple Pinay. Thank you po. Guapa Joan. Sheryl, meant to ask you earlier about your son. Is he at the school college? My son is grade 4. Grade 4. He's only 9 years old. My son. Sir Master Pot. Mr. Pot. Subscribe me, Jazz. From Dimple Pinay. Downward Tirbaro. Hi, what's up, Jazz from Higgs? Do live here. Jazz. Master Pat. Higgs from... That's not nice. Why deported them? I don't know. I have no idea. Mr. Pratt from Jazz Rockers. Marcel. Hi, Marcel. James. Mr. Pratt. James. Charlotte. Hi. That restaurant. Oh my god. That roaster is confused about the time, yeah. My god. Hello, Cheryl Malco. Hi, Mike. That means as early as 5 a.m. Oh my god, the roaster. What is that? 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. the doctora. Okay, at 3 a.m. there, yeah. That's why. At 3 a.m. it's considered the morning. Oh my god. 3 a.m. Previous message. You don't see it. It's okay, huh? Previous message. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm sorry, James. Yeah. Ah, James. Yeah, I deported him and his wife. Oh my god, really? Yeah, I deported him and his wife. Ano na. Sorry naman. Sorry, Mr. Wonderful. I read it now. I need, I need talk with you urgently. Why? Antes idipos, but why you need to talk to me? Talk antes, we're listening. Rose are a little premature. Miss your answer earlier, Cheryl. Sorry, I was not connecting. Ah, okay. That roster needs something, I guess. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Even said I would be right to you. I just can't compare you back. Everything is. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I am Shepard. Huh? Nanda? About boy school. My son he's 9 years old and grade 4 student. Yes, po. Grade 4 and 9 years old. My son, James Round. Hello, James Round. About your boy, school or college, all and his age, Cheryl. Been watching your short video. They are great. Yeah. Thank you, Donnie. Ouch. Wait. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Wi-Fi flag here, lag here. Lovely, thank you. Here, what? Heard you okay that time, yeah. Oy, 3 yes, aray ko. Yeah, 3 a.m. here, aray ko. I still wake up. What I'm doing? Close, close, good. It's hello. Hi, dudes. Thank you so much. Mouse. Did I tell you how cute someone else? Yeah. My God, kuya. Kumakanta ka sa YouTube, no? Hindi ako kumakanta. Pangit boses ko, hindi ako singer. Kahit nga sumayaw, nagsasayaw lang ako, wala lang. Ano kasi, mas ano ako sa sayaw kaysa kanta. Mas taga ano ako, no? Nawawala yung stress ko. Sinasayaw ba? Hodre. Ma'am Grace. Kuya G, ano, he have a crush the principal. Ma'am Grace. Ako kumakanta mamaya po kayo. Talaga? Nagla-live din po kayo, Sir Franz Belly. Trying hard ako. Kuya J, step carefully. Yes and no. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Don't cheat on me, honey. I know. Wala akong channel, punta ako sa iba. Ah, okay. May channel ka, yan yung ano mo, yan yung channel mo. Pwede ka na mag-upload. Hi po ate, ako pala si MJ. Sisa. Toto lang po ako ate, ha? Toto lang. Raymond Ortega. Hi Raymond. Toto lang. What do you mean? Step carefully? Maybe Mr. Pat. Maybe you are interested, Mom Grace. Oh, you need to step carefully, Kuya Dre. Okay lang po ate, natuto lang. 22 lang. Baka band ako. Band? Anong band? Band. Ikaw po ate, ako? Respect the host on this channel. Moderators are waiting. Yes. Thank you po, Mr. Pat. Mr. Pat. Sabihin. Baka tanggalin ako. Bakit naman? Lol, I'm a mod. David Gans. Hi, David Gans. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Trying hard kasi. Hindi okay lang yan. At least you try. David Gans, thank you so much. Okay lang po na bata pa. 22 years old is legal age. Is ano. It's not a bata. Aray. Not a bata. Where are you from, Sir David Guns? Okay. Don Juan. Hi po. Oh my God. Hi, Sir Don. Thank you for joining po. Oh my God. Okay lang sa'yo. Ang alin. Ang hello, Jess from Don. Hi, Sir Don. Thank you for joining po. Thank you so much. Taga saan po kayo, ate? Bicol. I think before you speak, Kuya Dre, choose your words carefully. Why? Why po? You're welcome, my friend. Thank you. Kem Sing Ong. Hi, Kem Sing Ong. Ako, ate, taga Tazna. Taga Tazna? Mr. Pat, why are you talking about? What did Dre say? Yeah, what did say Dre is wrong? Hey, Don Don. Hi, John B. Hey, Don Don from John B. I'm telling my sis Jollibee about someone cuteness and then get told step carefully. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray mo. Aray ko, aray mo. Hello, Aftabawi. Oh my God. Hello, your big baseball. Hello, John from Don. Thank you so much, Sir Don, for joining here. Beautiful smile. Thank you for so beautiful. Charlie. No sound. No sound. Why no sound? How are you doing, Shara? I'm doing live, Sir Don. Why no sound? Sound is fine. Ah, okay. I'm Ahmad on GTV channel as well. Who are you? Anyway, mister. Oh, calm down, guys. Sound is fine. Thank you. But I sure do like what I see. You are very, very lovely. Oh, Sir David. Where are you from, Sir David? Alexander Picado. Hi. Hey, Cheryl. Golden. My mistake, Dre. Apologize. Ah, yes. Apologize. Yes. Thank you. No need to argue here. Spread love. Thank you so much, Mr. Pat. I'm sorry again. No need to sorry, Golden. Oh my God. It's fine. It's fine, Golden. You're the good, very good friend here. That's why. I wish before that, like, at least you know about what happens to him. That's why. So that's why I'm thankful for that, Robin. Thank you so much, Alexander. That's right, you guys. Leave the arguing to me. Golden is a good guy, yes. Robert is there. Hi, Paul, Robert. Sir Robert. No worries, Golden. Thank you so much for being Good friend. You okay? I'm okay, John. We the worker. To all people of the Philippines, mabuhay me from the city of Bicol. Hi po ate. Ate ko, sana ikaw na mahal na kita ate. Huwag kang mag-alala. Binata pa ako. Oh my God. Good morning, Renato Jones. Got the real thing. Hi, Blue Jacket. Got upset on me. The real thing. Welcome back. Okay, coming from a good place, right? Yes. Thank you, Galvin. Hi, Don from Galvin. Thank you so much, guys. My God, my eye bugs. Hi, Golden from John B. Thank you po. Gigi. Thanks a lot. Ate, ano po, my FB is a very, my FB is locked. Sorry. Alfredo Santos. Okay, got to go. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for dropping by here. Thanks a lot. Ate, please. My God. Always going to be some drama. No. No more drama, Mickey. No more drama. Bye. I'm sorry again. No, no need to say sorry, Golden. Thank you, Golden. No, say sorry. My God. No need. I'm trying to be nice. I'm going good, man. That's right. The real good thing was not intended. I just like to trust talk a little before I kick them. Alright. Thank you so much. Ano drama? No drama. Okay po ate, messenger na lang po. Okay lang. No, wala. Mr. Pat, thank you Mr. Pat. Hello, Sir Robert Lawrence. Sometimes it just makes them live. Yeah. Thank you so much everyone here. Oh my God. Just sub and gave thank you. Thank you po. Alexander, wow, perfectly beautiful. Weh. Wala drama, just excuse. Kuya Dre. Can't process the admiration for Mom Grace, no? Good luck to you, Gray. Good luck to you. Oh my God. Always live when drama starts. Oh my God. Alexander, nice to meet you, Mr. Pat. Oh my God. Jose. Hi, Jose. Thank you. Thank you. Just right. Cheryl, are you from the Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Mickey Mason must be a knob. I don't need a like. I will never see that her. My goodness. That's right. You have already have a jowa. Remember, don't know you. A little 9 hours. I don't need love. I'll never say that. Oh my goodness. Taga Pasig City lang po ako. Okay, ingat lagi. Golden is not. No, Golden is one of my friend here. He's a good friend. Golden said to me that said he just said Cheryl, you know about what the ex, and he just said if I know what happened, not intention to upset me. My it's fine, no. Just I remember that Golden and I, he know about he know about he know about din he oh my god, I mental black. You know about me and Tim, so Golden is just Golden is a very good guy. Yes, Mike is a very good guy. Golden, I told you, is super, so super good guy. I have to find my Filipino wife. A good luck to you, Robert. You will find what do you call iPhone repair? Huh? Do you like one what you see? Double S. Ikaw din po ate, ingat po. Hello, salamat. If Golden is not welcome, then I'm not welcome. No. Oh my God. Oh my God, what hungry. Go to Philippines so you will find a wife. My God, it's another broken hearted for me. Oh my God, don't break my heart, guys. Dial rate is high as it is, it is, it. What? Ate, ano ba? That's what I'm going to do 5 years after my retirement. The areas are so cute. You don't like what you see because you are so. Don't keep Golden. He's one of us. Yes, no need. At least the mosquitoes are not biting tonight. Please, home style or genius musical. Please, Chicago, what does he needs? I think. For one, I wasn't trying to. It was coming from a good heart. Thank you. Hi, Sir Derek Jones. Hi po. Higgs. Higgs, hi bud. The real thing. Let go, move on. Yes. Let's move on. No need to, no need to, oh my God. Okay ka lang. Okay lang. Thank you po. Oh my gula. Oh me, oh my gulay. Keep me and drama, all this drama, and talk about someone cuteness. How everyone there, Cheryl? It's fine, Golden. Oh, please, Golden, don't, oh my god. We're friends. Hope don't stay away like others. My god. Ah. Hello, the real thing from Higgs. What do you need to die? Visas. Oh my god, Virginia, Beach. Oh my god, what is that? I'm talking to the blue crowd, so the black. Huh? I know. Thank you, Gotham. Not yet sleeping. It's hard being a superstar, Jack. Kuya Tree. What's up, Don from Higgs? Oh my god. Kuya Tree. Hello, Higgs from Don. Beautiful you around the Vira. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Emotional Dan. Oh my god. Ate, matulog ka na. Amoy mo naman. Di kita kailangan dito. So much happening today. Aray ko. Yes. Aray ko. I think they want me to... My god. The real thing. Hugo Hepanas. You have friends that care about you po. Thank you, Don. Hirap kumita. Wala akong pake. Who's that guy? I don't know. I'm going to get some lunch. See you later po. Thank you, Don. thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. The current stable spot. Salamat. Thank you so much. Why you up anyway, Shara? Was you dancing again? Yeah, I want to dance, but if I dance, I need to, music in my head. I have not mood to dance. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you, Sir Don. Thank you so much. How's Papa Bill doing? My Papa is sleeping. Can I meet you? No. Bye, Sir Don. Bye, eggs from Don. Stone cold. Stone cold. Jollibee ever tried salted egg chips? Kuya dream. My God. Bye, guys. Shall get sleep. I'm back. Had shovel some. Show us now. You're from the Philippines. Later Dawn. Bye, Bill. I'll see you soon. Oh my. Woo! See you soon. Did you sleep? You're retired. Tomorrow, regards and respect to you and everyone else in the chat. Thank you, po, Mr. Pat. Do dancing in your sleep, shut up. I will. Hmm. My God. Buhal. I'm Bicol province. Don't have a great day. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Welcome. Sleepwalking dancing. Sleepwalking. Mr. Pat, I'm not drama, just silly. Silly, 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 chilly, chilly. I was there, Chocolate Hills. Oh, wow. I never been there in Bicol, but it's beautiful there. It's a beautiful place. Jollibee, I want, cock float, spaghetti, fried chicken, fried chicken with gravy, mango pie, peach mango. Don't sorry, autocorrect. Got me, got me. Have a great day. It's okay, Sir Dwayne. Good morning, up. Early, do you catch the worm? The worm? Thank you, John Bay. Chocolate Hill sounds magical and delicious. Yeah, bye na po ate. Ingat ka dyan. Ingat ka din. I give you one change. Maybe chance, not change. Wrong spelling is wrong. Bye bye bye. God's gifts are rich. Really? Yes. Like the bird catch the worm. Ah, okay. Water rat. I look my God. I look so I look so ugly. Charot. My eye bags, my wrinkles. My God. How's your father? My father is sleeping. He's fine. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you, John B. Thank you so much. Well, wala cook. I need cook zero. Wala cook. Charles' birthday is next Monday. Everyone make it special and send more. Supercharge our people. I'm sure it will make it a special day. Thank you, Mike. I know my eye bugs. She's not bad for her age. She's in a good nick. Good nick. Good nick ka dyan. Oh my god. No neck. Utang super chat. Utang people. Kuya Dre. Age nothing. Age has nothing to do with how wonderful Cheryl is. Thank you, John B. Utang. Kuya Dre, why utang? Thank you po. Thank you, John B. My God. Hmm? Joke lang. It's okay. It's okay, Kuya Dre. No need to worry about the super chat, okay? Just enjoy your life. Calm down. Chill, chill. Just stress. Stay healthy. My wish is, stay healthy. Still feel young and beautiful. Stay healthy. Health is wealth. That's important. It's our life is a special gift from God, so more than anything else. So it's very important. When is your birthday, Cheryl? February 2nd on Monday. My God, 41 years old. Like, getting old na. February 2, yes. Mm. I'm getting old. Pangit, so health is good. 41 years so old. Yeah. Mm, I'm 41. Old na. Oh my god. The eye bags, the wrinkles. Oh my god. Wish I could 41 again. Oh, how old are you? I thought you were young, JS. When coming to the party, I'm going to give you a big hug and kiss. Swear. Jollibee old na. Yes, I'm old na. 47. Ah, batchmates. Line of four. 47. Huh? 47, Beatrice. Wow. Batchmate. A golden is young. It's 35. Golden. 38, lol. Golden 35 years old. He's young. I think it's fine. Matured. Matured. It's the age is 30. Hex is still a youngster. Golden to, he's a youngster. Golden. 68. Oh wow. Go Dwayne. Say Dwayne, Lil Dre. When you hear about kids say, wow, you were born in the 90s, you start to feel yes. When born 90s, you start to feel old. Back in the 90s. Yes, back in the 90s. Y2K year 2000 seems like it was a couple years ago, yeah. Good to see you, Mike. Same here, Raka brother. Salted egg chips around. Yes, I remember when people were freaking out about year 2000, lol. Oh my god. I can't believe it's 2026. Yeah, me too. I can't believe it's 2026 now. I feel, oh no, I feel a kid, still kids. Up guys, I'm the new boss in town. I'm my way on the highway. Oh my god. You need to be careful. Take her another real thing. Oh my gosh. Tar, tar. Hi Tarbs, from Sweden. The years went quick, yes. 2026 na. Every year just keep going by faster, yeah. Every week. Every year. I agree, Rocker. Charlie. Jollibee like dark chocolate, yes. I like dark chocolates. Um, I'll leave the real thing. Feel important for a minute before you take us blow away. Oh my god, yeah. Tomorrow it will be 2036 lol. Sheryl 906090. What's that? 906090. What it means? 2050 coming before you know it. Oh my god. I need to know this. I need to screenshot this about maybe what if, no? In year of the what it looks like me. Year what is that? Year 2036. And then yeah, 2050. Oh my god. I'm still alive. I'm a software model. Hmm? Thank you, John Bay. Hello, brother Tio. Good to see you. Hi, Tio. Tio Chong. Good morning po. Morning na. My God, morning na here. Morning na. 2028. Hello, Jess from Tio Chong. Give up, Sorka. Nobody wants you. My gulay. Chill, chill. Hello, brother Pat from Tio Chong. Tio Chong. Thank you so much. 26 million here. Jollibee, my jowa has not been mad at me for 2 days. It's a new record breaker. Good job, Kuya Dre. Good job. My God. Tia. Kenley. Kenley, la 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 la. What happened to the new sheriff in town? He announced his new position, then disappeared. then disappeared. We're got to get shit show on the road. We'll work it out to see what happens. Oh my God. How old are you? I'm turning 41. I'm turning 41. Kenley. Hello, I'm cold. Spoke to Zon, yes. Yogi Martinia. Oh my goodness. Lil John. Right. Wait. How that guy even get blue? Please like and subscribe, Cheryl. Thank you, pa. Thank you, Higgs. Rocket Man. Rocket. Thank you, Mike. Oh, thank you. Lol means laughing out loud, Jollibee. Kuya Dre, yes. Kuya Dre. Who's Rocket Man? Who's Rocket Man? Rocket Man was meant for rocker. Was meant for rocker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Excited. Wag muna. I'm not gay or Korean. Rocket Man was a good song. Do love. Thank you, Sheryl. Okay. Raining now. Yes, raining. Raining. It's raining. Ultraman is cold too. Oh my god. I can't laugh loud because people is sleeping here. John B. Lucky we got snow truck worker cleared our farm driveway out today. Wow, that's great, Sir Pat. I can't move on for Ultraman is cold. Oh my god. Hi, are we busting? Cheryl, I think you're the last Filipino awake in the Philippines. Yeah, maybe. Jimbo fan. Hello, pretty girl. Hi, Sir Jimbo fan. Thank you for joining po. Morat. I think I need a timeout and send me to the office. Oh my god. Hi, Sir Pat. You're very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Higgs. Thanks so much. Maybe I need to sleep because I need to work. Oh my god. Hope I have an energy. Hope still have an energy. I try to sleep. What was that thunder? No, just a wind, strong wind. I need to work a little hour. Oh me, oh my. So thank you so much. Oh my god, I need to stay healthy. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Principal GTV was for my punishment. You will be blushed there, Kuya Trey. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye. Night. Love you all. Good night po. Thanks a lot.